You know, in my second round, I went down to the corner. The beautiful lifeguard brought us up there, gave me a ride on the motorcycle. And my friend, Ian Masters, was carrying my board, and he was running down, and he was chanting in Hawaiian the whole ride. It was unbelievable, you know, how things just kind of fall into place. Then when I got to the corner, the crowd went nuts for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, Uncle Clyde, Uncle Clyde. But I told him on the second round that the first round I got hurt on my shoulder, and I had to get some needles in my arm, IV, and I was cramping up. But I promised all those guys in the corner that I'd at least go out and get one more wave. So, you know, just